I have all the ingredients for this sauce. Hot chicken stock, lemongrass, key limes, brown sugar, garlic. I have serrano instead of Thai chili peppers because I don't have them, cilantro, Thai basil, and the best fish sauce, Red Boat. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Perfect. So here's my golden pompano that I need to clean. It doesn't have any scales, so it's gonna be a very quick and easy cleaning. We check the gills, they're red, all good. So what I need to do is just to make a cut. Covered until you're ready to serve. And then you just open it up and it's a beautifully shaped portion of rice.